How to remove Facebook email. So if you want to remove the Facebook email, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to simply tap on your Facebook and open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dot icon, and tap on settings, which is here on the bottom of your screen, and then again tap on settings, and here you need to go for account center option. Under account center, you need to scroll down, and here you will have personal details. Tap on it and then go for contact info. Under your contact info, you will have your emails, right? So if you want to remove any one of your email, then simply tap on your email address, and then here you will have delete email. So if you want to remove, then simply tap on delete email. Once you tap on delete email, the email will be removed. So that's how you can remove your Facebook email. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.